Hey guys, my name is Julia. Today I am sharing a fall get ready with me video. I did my makeup, my hair, and I'm sharing an outfit all inspired by fall. I've been completely in the fall mood lately, and the fact that it's the middle of September is getting me like completely in the fall spirit, and I'm not gonna lie, starting to think about the Christmas spirit as well. Well, I actually think about Christmas year round. But I'm trying to fully enjoy fall this year and soak up September and October and the beautiful weather, the fun fashion. And so today I wanted to share my get ready with me and hopefully inspire you to dress for fall and get into the fall spirit as well. Okay, to start my fall look, I'm going to start with the Anastasia brow powder, same as I did yesterday, or in the last video. I'm going to just fill it in with the eyebrow brush and do it the exact same way I did the last time.
Can we talk? Hey, you. I think you're my subsistence. Hey, you. Or am I wrong? And now, you know.
Okay, good. I'm going to go back in next with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting, same way that I did my foundation in the last video. I'm just gonna dab it around my face and then use a foundation brush to bluff it all together. Buff, bluff, buff, yeah. Awesome. Okay, we are definitely going in with the Shape Tape Concealer today because I don't understand. I even slept in today and I feel like all I'm seeing is like iridescent. Look at that. That's like opaque. It's so bad. Okay, so this should at least help. Okay, I'm gonna set under the eyes and a little bit again in the forehead and chin and around my nose with this Airspun loose powder. Okay, this is like the basic that I do as the foundation to pretty much any look, unless I'm not using a full foundation and I use like a BB cream instead. But yes, this is pretty much just like an everyday, this is how I'm going to start. But today I want to do a really fun eye look to kind of match my fall sweater and go with my fall outfit idea. So I'm going to start with the MAC Prep and Prime eye base. It is so good. I went to get some makeup at Nordstrom and asked the girl why my eyeshadow is always creasing a few hours after I put it on, and she's like, oh, do you use a primer? And I was like, well, I feel like they've never really worked for me in the past. So she tested this stuff on me, and I think it's supposed to be some type of a wax, and I kid you not, I could have slept in my makeup probably for 2 days and the eyeshadow that she did would not have creased. Now, I don't sleep in my makeup, so I didn't actually get to test it out. But this stuff, I have not once put it on and not been impressed with how my eyeshadow has stayed. And you need a tiny, tiny bit, so highly, highly recommend. Okay, now I'm going to go into this BoxyCharm palette. You guys, the colors in here for fall. I actually took this from my sister because I was like, I think I need all of those pink glittery shades, please. So I am going to use this size brush, and I'm going to go into this deep burgundy color. It's actually called ATL. That's kind of cool. And I'm just going to dab it all over my entire eyelid. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna go in and blend and add and kind of pull out the color everywhere. So really all you need to do is just make sure that it is covering your entire actual eyelid. Okay, good. Now we are going to take an even smaller, tight little brush and go back to the Naughty Girl palette. There's this black shade at the end. It's a little intimidating, at least for me, but the girl at Nordstrom showed me how to use it, and so I'm going to kind of put it at the very bottom edge of my eyelid, and then I'm going to also fan it into my crease like that. And the key is just to blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. And then I'm going to kind of pull it into that inner corner too, so it almost creates like an ombre, like gradient effect. And then you want to sweep it up into the lid to really like bring it up. Okay, obviously it's super messy right now. Don't be scared. This is just the second color. Okay, I'm gonna take the opposite end of this. This is an EcoTools brush and it's dual-ended. It's awesome for eyeshadow looks. And I am going to use, there's a color in this palette again called Charmer on the end here. And it's like a gold shimmer. I'm going to sweep that up again in my eyelids to blend out where I kind of did all of that like black and red, and add like another layer of that ombre kind of look. You see it? Kind of smooths everything out. I mean, I know this is like a lot of color, but it looks pretty subtle when you close your eye, but it still looks like a daytime kind of smoky glam eye. So there it is so far. I'm liking it. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to this one and get that real big fluffy eyeshadow brush and smooth out this top here with just a real nude matte, just to soften the lines. Okay, now I'm going to one more time go back in here with a tight brush, and I am going to use a little bit of the Charmer color again, and then go back here and use a little bit of that black and kind of put them both on here, and I'm going to go under the eye. I don't go all the way in. I usually go about 3/4 of the way, and I go a little bit heavier out here. To kind of bring the look together in this outer corner and bring my eyes out. Okay, I like it. Okay, I'm going to use this Supersizer mascara, and today I'm actually going to put some mascara on my extensions as well, because I feel like when you do a really heavy eyeshadow or a darker, smokier eye, it looks nice to have a thick eyelash with it to kind of make your entire face look a little bit more glam rather than kind of everyday. Yeah, looks a little bit more done. Look at the difference. I am obsessed with these extensions, you guys. Look at that. Oh my word. Okay, almost done. I'm gonna finish it with this butter bronzer. Gonna swirl and just take it into my hairline to bring a little bit of warmth to my face.
I saw you from the distance. Hey, you, can we talk?
And then I'm gonna use the Nars blush. And then another thing I am loving for fall is this brand new Nars lipstick. It's called Aragon, and it's like a spicy, warm fall color. It's really pretty on. It's pretty on all skin tones too. It looks good on everybody. Okay, that is my completed makeup. I love it. I feel like it's enough to wear in the daytime, but it is a little bit more glam, and it definitely feels like fall with all the warm colors. And today I'm just going to brush out my hair, and I'm just gonna put in some loose curls, like everyday curls. My hair is kind of this medium, like a lob, trying to grow it out. So I'm just gonna use a 1.5 inch barrel and just work in small sections and curl it away from my face. I start about halfway down the hair, and then I kind of go up and leave the tail out and then pull it down. So it creates that real loose. This will loosen up a little bit too. I go all the way around my head, just kind of pulling different chunks. Okay, that's my hair and makeup, and now I'm going to show you my outfit for this kind of fall transitional look. Get ready with me. Okay guys, here is my outfit for today. I have this burgundy Colorblock sweater. It's got these pops of like a brighter pink and then a darker burgundy and more of like a maroon. And it's like a little bit more cropped and boxy. And then I just have these skinny little dark denim, slightly ripped jeans, and just some wedges on. And I just think this is cute for going into fall. I cuffed up the sleeves of the sweater, and it's got like this little mock turtleneck. It's really warm, so it might, I don't know if I can wear it in September or if I might have to wait until October because I am in Georgia. But I love this together, just a bright sweater, a jean, super comfortable. It feels like wearing a t-shirt, but it's a little bit more put together. And then of course I tried to do my eyeshadow to kind of match my sweater. So I like the way it came together. Okay, so that is the completed makeup, hair, and outfit for my fall get ready with me. And I really appreciate you watching this video. I hope it inspired you to dress up a little bit for fall. It is the middle of September already, so like if Georgia's weather could just continue to cool down a little bit, I would be so happy. But yes, I hope this put you in the fall spirit, and I hope that you enjoyed my video. If you did, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so that you can continue to follow along as I make new videos. Thanks, bye.